Welcome to the world of handmade leather craftsmanship, a place where skill, patience, and passion come together to create something timeless. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the complete process of crafting pure handmade leather shoes, from raw cowhides to a finished masterpiece. It all begins with selecting high quality cow leather, strong, durable, and naturally textured. Every piece of leather we use is carefully inspected and prepared by hand. The cutting process is done with precision using only traditional hand tools. There are no shortcuts here, no machines replacing the human touch. Each cut defines the shape and soul of what will soon become a beautiful pair of shoes. Once the pieces are ready, we move to stitching phase. Hand stitching leather is not just a technique, it's an art form. Each stitch must be even firm and perfectly elegant. The craftsman's hands move slowly and steadily, ensuring every thread is tight and secure. This part of process takes hours, sometimes days, but it's what gives handmade shoes their strength and character. As you watch, notice the natural texture of the cow leather, how it bends, how it holds its shapes, how it reacts to every motion. This is not just working with material, it's a conversation between the craftsman and the leather itself. Every touch, every pull of the thread, every precise move bring the shoes one step closer to the perfection. Next come to the crafting of the sole, one of the toughest and most important step. The hard leather sole is cut and shaped by hand, layer by layer, to ensure perfect balance and durability. The sole must be strong enough to handle years of wear, yet flexible enough to feel natural and comfortable when worn. This balance is only achieved through experience and attention to detail, something machines simply cannot replicate. After stitching and assembling, all the part of the shoes begins to take its real shape. The craftsman smooths the edge, adjusts the fitting, and starts refining the final details. This is where passion truly shines. The finishing touches require a steady hand and a trained eye. The surface is carefully polished, the threads are tightened, and the final shine is added using natural wax and polish. Every shoe tells a story of tradition, dedication, and craftsmanship, passed down through generations. Handmade leather shoes are not just fashion, they are a reflection of human efforts, precision, and timeless artistry. When you wear them, you are not just wearing leather, you are wearing hours of hard working, skill, and creativity. For those of you watching from the USA, thank you for appreciating handmade work and supporting traditional craftsmen. Every view, every like, and every comment encourage small creators like us to keep this beautiful art alive. So stay with us till the end. Enjoy the process and witnesses how pure cow leather transfers from a simple hide into a symbol of elegance, comfort, and authentic handmade design. This is not just about making shoes, it's about respecting the craft, valuing the effort, and celebrating the art of doing something by hand. Because real beauty does not come from machine. It comes from the heart and the hand that create it. Thank you so much for watching.